Hello, beautiful people. It's your favorite real estate agent here, Mr. Stephen Harris, and I just wanted to take a quick second to make a video talking about the three major things that you should be looking for when requesting repairs for the house that you're about to buy. All right, now if you've been following the page, then you know that whenever you put a house under contract, you get what's called an option period. During that option period, we're going to get the house inspected from roof all the way down to the foundation and everything in between, right? Then that inspector is going to give us a report. In that report is going to have every last deficiency that that house has, all right? It's up to us to discern the most major ones. And the most major that we should be looking for is going to be anything involving the roof, the plumbing, or the foundation. Those are the big three: roof, plumbing, foundation. Usually those are the more costly of the issues, and a lot of times the homeowner's insurance will pay for whatever that repair is. So when you're in your option period, you get that house inspected. If there's some chipped paint or cracked tile, things like that, small cosmetic stuff, don't let that deter you from completing the deal. But if the roof is bad, the plumbing is bad, and the foundation is bad, then those are the major things that can stop you from completing the deal. And the other one is gonna be electric. So if anything in the electric panel box is bad, or the wiring is bad, maybe some of the outlets don't work, you're gonna wanna ask for those too. But a lot of times the electricity is gonna be a little bit easier to fix than foundation, roof, or plumbing. I hope this helps. If you are under contract, good luck. Hope you close on it. If you're looking to be under contract in the future and you haven't chosen a real estate agent or a house, give me a call. I'll be more than happy to help. Hope you have a good one. Peace.